Welcome to naturally.co, Cooking with Tara. Today we're going to make some fruit snacks. So we are going to do some beets and some strawberries in there. We're just going to put it in our blender with our apple juice. We're going to blend this up. Then we're going to add our sweetener. I'm going to use honey. We're going to add our vanilla. Just a touch. Blend this up again. And once it's all smooth, we're going to transfer to a pot so we can add the gelatin and let that set. Transfer all this. Well, welcome back. So you see, all the gelatin is dissolved. So I have a little silicone thing mold here, and however, whatever mold you have, you can use those. If you have fancy fruit ones, you can do that. So you're just gonna fill your mold up, put them in the fridge for at least 2 hours, and then you'll be ready to serve. Welcome back to naturally.co. So here are some of the ones I pulled out already. I have a pear, blueberry, and a strawberry. Really, you're just gonna take your mold, flip it out, and that is it. Enjoy.